Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to track your weight in Myfitnesspal. So guys, and as always, if you are using your phone, go ahead to if you are using iOS, go ahead to App Store and download the application from it. If you have Google Play, like Android version, you can just go to Google Play and install the application from it as well. Now, for PC users, you just have to go to myfitnesspal.com in any browser that you are having. After that, you have of course to create your account. So put email, password, name, etc. And then put some information about your body. So after you put your information about your body, they will ask you if you are like active or not active. So you put the correct informations and then you will have this page in front of you guys. So now in order to actually like track your weight, there is multiple steps to do. The first thing here is the calories remaining for my day now. And now it is the morning. So what I'm going to do is basically each day I go to here, add food, and I add food for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks if you eat any snacks. After that, you go back and you add some exercises. So if you did any exercise, walked, or did anything, you add it over here. Now, after the day ended, you will see here how much kilograms you have lost in that day. If actually you respected these calories remaining that the application calculated for you. Now, let's say for example that you haven't respected and you went above it, you will actually get kilograms above that. Like you didn't get kilogram loss, but you get kilogram gained. So make sure to respect that and go through all of these, and by the end of the day you will see here the tracking of your weight. So here you will see how many kilograms you have lost. Of course you will not have like 1 kilogram lost, maybe if you did like an intense workout and you didn't eat at all, but overall you will find here like couple grams and etc. So yeah guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.